Hey everyone, today we're gonna take a slip through time at Factory Obscura's new experience, Time Slip. I am here with Kelsey. Kelsey, let's just start by walking around and showing everybody what there's new to experience here at Factory Obscura.
So Time Slip is our new temporary experience for the summer of 2024. This experience is going to take a look at the future of Factory Obscura. At the same time, we're also taking a look back. So if you have been a fan of Factory Obscura for a while, you may recognize some of the pieces inside.
All right, let's step on in. Right off the bat,
Yes.
These are from...
Yes, you might recognize these creatures who originally appeared in our 2018 experience called Beyond. They were very loved at the time and have been in storage since then. And so we brought them out, refreshed them. They've been reimagined a little. We built a new habitat for them, and they will welcome you as you come into Time Slip.
All right, so which way we want to go, left or right?
Let's go this way.
All right. So you got a couple choices right off the bat.
Yeah, always choices, lots of pathways to be explored. And as you traverse the labyrinth of Time Slip, you're going to come across the past, the present, and the future, along with some special surprises in the labyrinth itself. And today we have a group of artists hanging out here in this space that we call the past.
All right, so let's see. Hey, everyone.
Hi.
So why don't you tell us, everybody, about the experience here? Anything you'd like people to know? Maybe some little hidden things that they may not realize?
Well, it's very colorful. It's a theme of time and nature, and there are lots of wonderful little hidden secrets all over the place. And it's going to continue to change as the installation goes on throughout the summer, so it's worth coming back.
Anything else you want to add, Malcolm?
Yeah, it's just like past, present, and future is kind of our initial concepts that you're going through a labyrinth or any way you want to kind of jump through time, basically.
I would say at the beginning, when you first come in, make sure to hug the moon llamas because you'll get it's a great welcome. They purr and you'll feel their purr vibration, and it's a great beginning to all the fun things that you're going to experience throughout the exhibit.
All right. Thank you. All right. And now we are going to go to the next part.
Yeah, let's head into the labyrinth.
The labyrinth. So what's going on? So how are these lights sensing?
This is, of course, interactive, like everything that we make. As you move through this pathway, the lights light up and reveal some of these patterns on the walls. As you go deeper into the labyrinth, you discover this kind of central chime piece that plays itself as part of the soundtrack to the experience every once in a while.
So how does that work?
So interactive.
Just like that.
Looking up above, you can see where it's at. Yeah, now that will play by itself too.
Yeah, every once in a while, if you stay in the space long enough, you'll hear the moment where it comes alive and does its own thing.
All right. Well, let's head this way now.
Yeah.
Going into another part of the labyrinth.
Yes, more labyrinth experience. If you spend some time in the labyrinth, you'll discover lots of little surprises that we've hidden in here for you.
Alright, so we're at this I recognize from when you were in Norman.
That's right. Our synesthesia experience at the Fred Jones Jr. Museum of Art included this kaleidoscope piece, which we have installed in a new way. And I was just talking to the artist this morning about what a different experience it is in Time Slip than it was in synesthesia.
I feel like it's like more accessible in a way because when it was in Norman, it was a lot harder to find.
Yes, it was a lot more tucked away.
Yeah. And oh, it looks like you got some different lights up above.
Yeah.
All right, so let's carry on to another section of the labyrinth. We're not even showing you the full labyrinth. We're just kind of showing
We're
you.
just breezing through.
Yeah. You're just gonna.
And as I mentioned, there's lots of little things. You got to look at all the details, like you maybe wouldn't expect that these buttons might do something. They do.
Oh. I didn't know.
This is our warp tunnel.
This is also from an early exhibition.
This is a new iteration of a space that we created in our Beyond experience in 2018.
This one you're standing up. I believe the one in Beyond was you had a crawl.
It was a crawl tunnel, yeah. We had a little more space here, so we made it bigger.
Be sure to look up too, folks.
Always look up. There it goes. Shine is playing itself.
Okay. And this is a new creature, correct?
It is a new creature, yes. So this space represents the future, where we are imagining a future where perhaps technology and nature have come together to create a new life form, something a little more symbiotic, a little more harmonious, which has resulted in this creature. It's a bit of a chimera creature, and it was inspired by actually our friends at the Science Museum, who reached out to us earlier this year and were looking to find a new home for this airplane that had been in their collection for a while, and they needed to find a new home for it. And so we happily took that plane and turned it into something new.
I would not have, I kind of see the bench. That's so wild. And all right, so we got a little popper thing.
Like this.
So there's a button for that, right?
Yeah, there it goes.
And there's lots of buttons over here.
Howdy doo-dah.
Okay. All right. So you'll have to push all those buttons if you love buttons.
Push all the buttons.
Push all the buttons. All right. So we're gonna go inside something. Got a duck for this.
Now this one, a lot of people have been breezing by and missing this little control panel over here. So don't move too fast when you go through. You're gonna miss something super cool, which is you get to control the lights in this space. And the lights affect the painting on the wall.
You can definitely see different things.
Yeah.
And there's a way where you can kind of automatically cycle through this, right?
Yes, if you flip the switch that way, and then you can control how fast.
Okay, so the bottom one controls how fast it goes.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Press all the buttons.
All the buttons. All right. Now we're in another part. Is this also new?
Yeah,
What's new?
this space is about the present, which is for us about being present in the moment. Be here where you are and appreciate it. So we've tried to create a space that's a little more calm and quiet for you to spend some time just being here and enjoying the moment. And then there's this tree where you're invited to leave a wish or a hope. You write it on the note, stick it inside the tree, and see what might bloom from that.
And you got a bunch of bubbles over here, lights, and it looks like it's something we can climb.
Yes, I highly recommend the view from up there.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go check out the view.
All right.
So let's go see this view. All right. And here you go. All right. So tell us about this, where we're at now.
So we call this the birdhouse. And so you're inside this kind of bird-like creature with wings. And this creature has 3 eyes that you can look out. And one eye looks to the past, one eye looks to the present, and one eye looks to the future.
Okay, let's see.
There's the future. And there's the present. And there's the past.
Right. Okay. Are we missing something else? What else we got left?
We covered most of the big spaces, but there's lots of little details that we skipped over that you really just have to be here to experience them.
All right. Well, we're gonna wrap this up. But I'm gonna ask, how long do you got, Kelsey?
So Time Slip will be open through the summer. It closes September 30th, 2024. So make sure to come check it out before it leaves. And we will be adding new details all along the way. So if you come at the beginning, you might also want to come again at the end and see what's changed.
And now I'm back in the main part of Factory Obscura. If you've never heard of Factory Obscura, they are an immersive art experience, kind of like Meow Wolf, but in the theme of giving somebody a mixtape and the emotions revolving around the mixtape. The main part is always constantly having things being added and developed and changed. Like very rarely do they take anything down unless something gets broken or damaged. They're mostly adding little details here and there. So every time you come back, so if you haven't been here in a while, I'm sure you will find some hidden little things that you didn't see before. So be sure to check out Factory Obscura here in Oklahoma City, and be sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy adventures!